everyone, welcome back to Nail Novice. I love to watch other people's salon tours and see how other nail techs set their workspaces up, so I thought I would share with you today my home salon desk and workspace. So to the left of my desk and on my client's right, I have a cubby bookcase, and on top of this I have swatches of all my gelish gel polish colours. I have around 35-ish that I use regularly. In the cubbies, I have everything I might need to prepare my desk for my next client: a utensil tray, linen towels, paper towels, a wet bag for removals, an armrest, and my desk fan sits on the bottom shelf when not in use. The desk itself has white metal legs and a wooden veneer top, and although it cost more than the desk itself, the best thing I ever did was have some glass cut for the top of this. I highly recommend a glass worktop for your nail space. The client's chair is just a swiveling office chair that I removed the arms from to make it more suitable for any and all. And behind them is a huge clock right in my eyes line to keep track of services, and I sit on an adjustable beautician stool. My desk lamp is amazing. It was an Amazon purchase. It's the LE LED desk lamp. Not only does the top angle back and forth, but the arm angles up and down and swivels 180 degrees, and it has about 7 different light settings. It does a fantastic job. It doesn't cure gel products, and I can't recommend it enough. It was such a good find. And on top of the lamp I have my bit holder. In the right corner of my desk I have my e-file. This is the MediCool 20K. It's a 30,000 RPM file. It's portable, so there are no cords to mess about with, and it can attach to your belt for mobile or competition work. Other than my fan or client towels, this is all I keep on my desk whilst working to keep my desk a tidy space and even easier to thoroughly clean. To my right I have a 4-drawer system. On top of this I have, of course, my gelish 18G lamp, a box of tissues primarily for me, but my clients are welcome to grab one as needed, and my daily essentials are on a turntable tray from Kmart. I have my sanitizer for both myself and clients, pure isopropyl, lint-free wipes, and these are like the cut wax strip like wipes. I find them the most lint-free that I've used. Beauty grade acetone, which if you didn't know is slightly different to hardware store acetone. You should be using acetone filtered and packaged specifically for beauty and salon use. My daddy oil, which I'm loving. Lotion to finish my services, and my disinfectant, which I've previously done a video about. In the centre I have a pen, my acrylic brush, which is the Nail Perfect number 8. I love this brush, it has changed nails for me, and some manicure scissors for customising nail forms. I have exfoliating scrub that I use on every client, and a primer. Lastly, I have my utensil tray for my clients' tools, and this keeps them off my desk space. And moving into the drawers, my top drawer has my most reached for items: my client files and buffers, cuticle pushers, manicure brushes, my essential gelish items: foundation, structure, top coat. I have some gel polish brushes which I keep when I replace a bottle to use for custom colours and whatnot, a spare dehydrator, structure gel in the pot which I find better for adhering gems, my top coat for glitter work because you don't want glitter all through your good top coat, and my acrylic top coat. Squished at the back of the drawer is a paraffin bag which I cut up as needed for art effects. And into the second drawer, this is more my removal items: my foil wraps, soak-off clips. I have some nail forms which I pull through the drawer like this for easy access during a service, powder-free nitrile gloves, cuticle nippers, one good set and one older set for removing gems, some clippers, and finger wrap which I've never used. At the back is C&D cuticle remover for anyone that really doesn't want a cuticle bit used on them, and as you'll know, I'm a gelish girl, but C&D Cuticle Away is the best by far that I've tried, and I have a wee spray bottle with soap and water to deactivate it. Third drawer down is my acrylic powders and acrylic tray, which is always set up, ready to go. If you have ever spilt an entire tub of acrylic powder, you'll know why I now work off a tray. It always has my primer, a paper towel for a brush wipe, my dapping dish in a ceramic jar I pop on top to keep smells down while I finish file, and my pinching tool. I've got my acrylic powders. I have quite a few at the moment because I've been trying different brands and also have some custom mixes. And I have some coloured powders tucked around the back from some competition work I did. I've got my e-file charger, and you'll notice I don't keep my monomer in the same drawer as my powders. Nail Tech 101. And my bottom drawer is where I keep my monomers. I keep them in a plastic container so it's easy to wipe out and reduce odours. A few of these are all the same brand, just in different sized bottles. One is a product line I don't use anymore, and I'll occasionally use it as a brush cleaner so I'm not wasting my daily one. I have some pop sticks within easy reach for swatching or nail art displays, a Tupperware rubber mat, which is fantastic for getting tight lids undone, and a bathroom tile within easy reach, which I use for nail art and mixing. I have an airtight container which I place all my used brush wipes into to reduce smell in the salon. All my stamping gear, a container with my personal files for my nails, and some buffers for swatch sticks, etc. I have envelopes ready to go for my client files, and beneath that some odd nail art bits and bobs that I don't use frequently. And lastly, my nail art brush collection, which I may do a separate video about in the future. So that's about it for my workspace. If you've seen anything in this video that you'd like me to elaborate on further, let me know in the comments below, and I look forward to stalking your salon tours.